For a typical ceramic tile flooring project, you should plan to buy extra tile to cover cuts, breakage, and future repairs. Start by calculating the total square footage of the area and then add contingency for layout waste and mistakes. For straight lay patterns with minimal cutting, add 10% of the calculated area. For diagonal or complex patterns, add 15% because those cuts generate more waste. If tiles have strong directional patterns or varied shade lots, buy enough from the same production lot and add an additional 5% to ensure matching tones for repairs. When working with large format tile, account for handling breakage during transport and cutting by using the higher end of the extra range. Keep a record of the tile product code, lot number, and purchase date so you can source matching replacements later if needed. Store the extras in a dry, climate-controlled space and keep them in original packaging to protect edges and glazes. Common mistakes include underestimating pattern and cut waste, which leaves you short mid-project. The fix is to reassess the layout before ordering and choose the higher percentage if any cuts or offsets are required. Another issue is mixing tiles from different production lots during installation, which causes visible shade variation. The remedy is to verify lot numbers and, if multiple lots are unavoidable, blend tiles from each box across the floor during installation to even out differences. A third concern is not keeping spare tiles for future repairs and then facing color mismatch years later. Prevent this by reserving at least 10% extra and storing it labeled with product details so you can match for repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to find project ideas relevant to tile installations. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences.